Configure plants for structured production control. Plant management begins in the warehouse module to establish the core manufacturing infrastructure. The plant listing provides a high-level overview of active manufacturing sites and their operational status. Initiating a new plant record allows the system to partition resources for a specific facility. Plant name identifies the facility while plant code creates a unique shorthand for logistical transactions. Plant image provides a visual reference to help users quickly distinguish between different production sites. The reference code enables cross-referencing with external asset management or financial accounting systems. Selecting a location links the manufacturing plant to a predefined geographical master record. Remarks allow for the inclusion of specific operational notes or facility descriptions for internal reference. Attachments provide a secure repository for facility-specific documentation like site permits or layout diagrams. Status determines whether the plant is active and ready to process production orders. Saving the configuration updates the organizational hierarchy and enables the facility for production planning. This centralized management ensures that all production activities are accurately attributed to the correct physical facility. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.